Wilton Hunt over here. Many of you get emails from Google My Business pages letting you know how many people saw your photos that you uploaded, and they might look like this. Congratulations, your photo got so many views. And you will get this repeatedly, very often, one after the other, every few days. And these are triggered whenever you upload new photos onto your Google My Business pages. And Google wants to kind of get you to upload more photos. They're trying to encourage you to add more photos. But those figures that's being reported, right, 500 views, 10 views, those we call it bluff. Those aren't really real tangible numbers. We have a client that read the numbers very, very closely. Oh, wow, this photo got 500 views. Views doesn't mean anything unless they actually act on it. So if you're getting a lot of these emails from Google, right, they all typically look like this, and typically you will get these whenever you start uploading more and more photos on Google. They're just trying to encourage you to add more photos onto your Google My Business pages. And I do agree with Google that the more photos you put on your Google My Business pages, the more likely they're going to stay on your Google My Business pages. That is become your new homepage. The more they can see your products and services, the more likely they're just going to call you. But the actual figure that's being reported, number of views, I call that bluff. This is very, very inaccurate number here that Google just want to encourage you to upload more photos. So don't read into that figure too much, but it just keep uploading more photos. It's always better.